64, 65, 73, 74. Ears, nose. Tell me which is 11. Which is apple? Which is mango? Tell me which is grenada? Which is center table? Which is avocado, Ayansh? Tree. Name. Tell me which is your nose? Very good. Which is fingers? Ayansh, tell me it is which color? Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? Yes. Tell me which is cheetah? Very good. Okay. Tell me which is jaguar? Tell me which is jaguar? Which is jaguar? Very good. Meerkat. Very good. And where is sloth? What is this? Vulture. Which flower is this, Ayansh? Lily. Very good. Dahlia. Can you find out a strong gorilla in this page? Where is banana? Very good. Who is she? Doctor. And who is she? Tailor. And who is he? Judge. Tell me which is Brunei? Very good. Which is Kazakhstan? Very good. Which is India? Very good. Which is Cyprus? Very good. Which is Jordan? And which is Azerbaijan? Yay, very good. Ayansh, which country is this?
China.
Very good. Which country? Oman, very good. South Korea. Philippines. D for? E for? F for? G for? H for? I for? 13 minus 4? Very good. 25 minus 5 is equal to? Very good. Tell me which is a South American country?
Peru.
Very good. Yes, thank you. And which is a Asian country?
India.
India. Very good. Can you find me which is a Asian country flag?